part. Go ahead and check it. The way I check coins on jams or anything like that, problem, it's fine. Money forward. Just like they say on TV, just follow the money. I'm sorry. So, started with some change stuck in the top part. Put that down in the box. Release myself from this bag right quick. Matter of fact, I'm gonna kick it up here close to the machine. It's important to keep your bag as close to you as you can. And that's if you're sighted or non-sighted, but it sounds, as I hit this donkey right here, this little piece right here, when you close this little door, this little plastic piece right here, which is attached to where you put the money in, the change in, goes inside of this track. And you can see from here that the track got change sticking out all the way out the end, which means that all of this, all the way down here to this changer doohickey down here, is full of change. It needs to come out. The change is not getting into the changer. It's not going down the tube. It's stuck right here. And now, a little bit of adjustments. You get that change going into the changer. Going up this tube as we trail it. And then it comes down here where there's the jam, where the coin lick is, and that is going to be a little bit more messy. Starting now. Here we go. It's going to be just a little messy. I do this to agitate the change out. To get all the change out.
I don't let it roll.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to roll out the machine onto the floor, but
yeah, but you know.
Dang.
How about let's not do that?
Things that must be done. So now let's look at this defective changer deal. Sliding around the changer and looking at the changer, which is stuck closed. What sticks the changer closed? Change stuck in the cartridge. And we can look here and see. Mashing this doohickey and opening this doohickey here. These are the chambers where the change goes in. You can see the jam here. And the change is stuck in there and it just can't get loose. This is where it's sorted. This is the sorter. Unfortunately.
Go on the other side. Behind you. Turn around, it's right there.
There's no slide in here, no toilet tissue.
Oh. There's the phone number.
Oh my gosh.
We just own the machine, so that's why I'm like, call the phone number. They people around here somewhere. Maybe if you call the phone number, that's locked.
Huh?
It says occupied. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying if you call the phone number, you might actually get somebody on site that's around that can come give you something.
That's all right. I got some hand wipes.
Yeah, there's no toilet paper or soap in there.
No toilet paper either?
No. Like 4 or 5.
You got your phone?
That is in the car.
You have your
Yeah,
phone?
mine's in the car too.
Because I would definitely say, look, somebody was actually in that restroom. Okay. So no, and that's not the guy that works here. Okay, that's somebody else.
Yeah, they don't have any toilet paper. I had to give that poor lady some toilet paper.
And I don't know where the people are. That's why I say if somebody got a phone, they can call that phone number. Because I know they walk around. You know, and they might have a phone on them.
Oh.
That's why I was saying if you hadn't, you know. But, oh well. So you had to take the whole thing out.
If I can get this loose.
And I said that was the guy that worked here, that walked down here. That wasn't him. I'm sorry.